Dr. Raman Chadha, Dean Engineering in Geeta Engineering College, Panipat, having approximately 22 patents and more than 50 national and international research journals. My dear students, today I will give you some more brief introduction about how to write a good research paper. A research paper is bit of scholastic composing that give investigation, understanding and contention depend on top to bottom autonomous exploration. Research papers are likely scholastic papers that are generally more and more definite tasks intended to evaluate your composing abilities as well as your aptitude in academic exploration. A research paper is a tedious task that takes ample of your time and demands dedication and hard work on your end. You have to stay alert all the time and revise the content many times to keep it quantitative. There are various parameters that it has to go through. The most important points that how to write a good research paper are just like first step is that topic. The topic and the foremost step is the selection of the topic. The major credit for the success of research paper is based on the choice of the topic. The topic has to be interesting and informative at all costs. Apart from that, it should neither be too vast nor to be short. In both the cases, it will become a cumbersome task to manage the various sections. Now, step number 2, clarity is to be most important. Keep the format in your mind crisp and clear. If the content is not clear in your mind, it will stay observed in the reader's mind as well. Crisp and clear interpretations will keep the reader's mind on track. There should be no ambiguity at all costs. Topic can be obtained from various resources, your respective teachers, seniors, HODs, mentors or friends. Step number 3, that is a format. Follow a well-defined format suggested by your professor. Begin with a title page, write abstract afterward. Table of content will be the next step, which will be the list of the content. After that, topic number 4, that is the languages. Keep the language simple so that it can be easily and understood by the audience. Fourth point is that plagiarism. Never ever copy of the content word by word from anywhere is the most important. If you have to copy, state it in words cited page. It means your matter must be plagiarism free. Now, 6th point is that grammar. It has to be written perfectly without any grammatical mistake. And 7 points is that word count. Do not make your paper too lengthy or short. In order to maintain the word limit, never explain the content unreasonably. The content should be so written that curiosity, concentration and confidence are maintained till end. Use credible resources also in your paper. Thereby, you should begin with chapter 1, which will be an overview of the topic, that is introduction. This is the most important thing. After that, chapter number 2 will be the review of the literature. Chapter number 3 will be about the methodologies involved, and chapter number 4 will be the analysis of the data. Discussion will be the carried in chapter 5, and at last will be the bibliography and appendices section. Hope all these 7 points will be clear about the picture of how to write a good research paper. If you have any doubt, if you have any problem regarding how to write a good research paper, you just send me a mail on deangc@geeta.edu.in or dr.ramanchadda@gmail.com. I will positively to determine the difficulty. Stay home, stay safe, stay physically fit, exercise regularly, eat a nutritious diet and follow the golden rule. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water or use alcohol based hand rub. God bless you. Wish you good luck. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.